how you will know that the church does not recognize him? Come to church leaders, how we appoint people to work. In Acts chapter 13, prophets and teachers were praying. And while they were praying, it wasn't their decision to set Paul and Barnabas apart for apostolic work. It wasn't their making. It didn't come out of, we need to sustain our organization. Let's hold a meeting. How do we raise money? Okay, let's ordain 2,000 pastors. And we bid them 500,000. The money we get from, if you have calculator there, 500,000 times 2,000. How much do we realize? 1 billion. Now, the prophet and teachers were praying, and the Holy Spirit spoke. Separate unto me Paul and Barnabas to the work which I have called them. I want to so that when you have a church that does not recognize Christ, the owner of the church, how will you have souls being saved?